At Jet2CityBreaks, we know when it comes to your city escape, you want it all. To taste it all, experience it all, and see it all. That's why with us you get flights, your hotel, and 22 kilograms of baggage all in one package. Book now and discover everything our city destinations have to offer with just a £60 deposit per person. Get it all with Jet2CityBreaks. Flight, hotel, city, Advert and all protected.